My name is Ina. I am 25 years old. I loved my husband very much. In the beginning, everything was perfect. He held my hand, laughed at my jokes, and said I was beautiful. He cared for me. He respected me. But slowly, things changed. At first, it was small words. "My friend's wife is so perfect," he said one evening. I stayed quiet. I smiled politely, thinking maybe he was just joking. The next day, it happened again. "You should learn from her," he said. My heart sank. I tried not to feel hurt. I cooked better meals, wore nicer clothes, and tried to speak softly, to be more polite, more everything he wanted. But nothing worked. Every day he compared me to someone else. "You are not like her. She is better than you." I started feeling small, invisible. I stopped smiling at home. I stopped talking freely. I became a shadow of myself. One night, I looked in the mirror. I didn't recognize the girl staring back. Her eyes were sad. Her shoulders were heavy. "Who am I now?" I whispered. Tears fell silently. I thought about all the times I'd changed myself for him. I remembered the girl I used to be, full of life, laughter, and dreams. That night, I made a decision. When he came home the next day, I was ready. "Please sit," I said. He looked confused. "I want to talk." I took a deep breath. "I am tired," I said. "Tired of trying to be someone else for you." He stayed silent. "I am not perfect," I continued, "but I am not less." My voice shook, but I did not stop. "If you want someone else, I will not stop you, but I will not lose myself again." For the first time, he had no words. I saw his surprise, but I didn't wait for an apology. I didn't need one, because in that moment, I realized something important. I was enough. I didn't need anyone's comparison to define my worth. I didn't need his approval to know I mattered. That night, I slept differently. I felt free. I felt strong. The next morning, I smiled at myself in the mirror. Not the same girl as before, stronger, wiser, and proud. For the first time in a long time, I felt alive. Some weeks later, he tried to apologize. I listened, but I knew my heart had changed. I have learned a lesson he could never teach me. Self-worth is not earned through comparison.